LG's Tag on Cycle download allows you to download cycles to your washer or dryer for later use. The cycle will be available at the download cycle position on the control panel until another cycle is downloaded. Open the LG Laundry smartphone app and select Tag On, and then Tag on Cycle download. After closing the pop-up screen, the smartphone app will help you guide your phone for a successful tag on. The pulsing white circle is the approximate location of the NFC antenna on your phone. Align that to the Tag On logo on your appliance. The NFC antenna is located in the back of your phone, so it is important to have your phone as close to the Tag On logo as possible. It is acceptable to touch the back of the phone to the Tag On logo. If the Tag On is successful, a list of available cycles for download will display. To download a new cycle to your appliance, select any of the available cycles listed and tag your phone to the appliance's Tag On logo. If the download is successful, a pop-up message will display complete. You can verify the cycle is downloaded by changing the dial on the appliance to the download cycle position. If you are not sure which cycle is currently downloaded on your phone, press the refresh button in the upper right corner of the app. Tag your phone to the Tag On logo, and if successful, the current cycle that is on the appliance will display.